Your SLA clock never stops. It counts every weekend, every holiday, every hour your team is offline. But it doesn't have to. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to use schedule conditions in Zendesk so your automations only fire when your team is actually working. Without schedules, Zendesk runs on calendar hours. That means a Friday 5 p.m. ticket kicks off a full 48-hour countdown over a weekend your team isn't even there. Switching to business hours pauses the clock until Monday morning, giving agents a fair target to hit. 3 rule types interact with schedules differently. Triggers fire the instant a ticket is created or updated. Automations run on an hourly cycle against open tickets. SLA policies measure performance against your defined targets. Getting the distinctions right saves hours of debugging. Navigate to Admin Center, then Business Rules, then Schedules. Set your working days and drag time blocks in 15-minute increments to define exactly when your team is available. You need at least a professional plan to unlock this feature. Click the Holidays tab inside your schedule and add dates up to 2 years in advance. One critical gotcha. Holidays cover the full calendar day, not just your business hours. If Monday is a holiday, the on a holiday condition fires all day long, including at midnight. In triggers, within business hours, evaluates the exact moment the ticket event occurred. A classic use case is sending an after-hours auto-reply whenever a ticket is created outside your operating hours. It fires instantly the second that condition is true. This is the most common automation mistake in Zendesk. Because automations run roughly once per hour, hours since solved is 24, can slip right between 2 consecutive runs and never fire. Always use greater than. It catches the threshold on the very next hourly check, every time. Without a stopping condition, your automation refires on the same ticket every single hour. The fix is simple. Check that a tag doesn't exist, fire the action, then add that tag as an action. One tag blocks repeated execution permanently. Inside every SLA policy, set hours of operation to business hours. This single change means a Friday afternoon ticket doesn't count the entire weekend against your team's response target. The clock pauses and only resumes when you're back online Monday. Most broken automations fail for one of 6 reasons: using is instead of greater than, missing a nullifier tag, hitting the 28-day look-back limit, targeting closed tickets, leaving enterprise tickets without an assigned schedule, or misunderstanding that holidays cover full 24-hour days. Check this list before you start debugging. Zendesk business rules are great at time-based routing, but they can't read a message and know it's a billing escalation. Eesel AI works alongside your rules to understand customer intent from the actual message content, routing and prioritizing tickets your automations would otherwise miss. Set up your schedule conditions today, then let Eesel AI handle the edge cases your rules can't catch. Try it free for 7 days, no credit card required. Visit www.eesel.ai to get started.